Hey everybody, it's Jerry, and today I'm going to show you how to make espresso cookies. These are really simple cookies to make, and if you like coffee flavor, you're really going to like these. They're nice and chewy and soft and lots of coffee flavor. So let me show you how to do it. We're going to start off by taking 1 teaspoon of psyllium husk and a 1/4 cup of water. Put that in a bowl and mix that together. Let that sit for a minute to thicken. Then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of unsulphured molasses. One cup of sugar. 1/2 cup of melted vegan butter. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Just mix that together. And then we're going to add 1/2 cup of, in this case I use carob powder, but you can also use cocoa powder, and then 1.5 teaspoons of espresso powder. And just mix that up really well. And then we're going to add 1/2 cup of brown rice flour, 1/2 cup of millet flour, 1/2 cup of tapioca flour, a teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and mix that all together. And then we're going to chill that for around 30 minutes. Let it thicken really nicely. And then we're just going to roll it into small balls, about 1/2-inch diameter balls, placing it on a baking sheet covered with a silpat or parchment paper. And then we're going to roll it in sugar. Take about 1/3 cup of sugar in a bowl and just roll them in sugar. And then we're going to bake them for at 325 degrees for about 10 minutes. And then just let them cool. And remove them from the sheet, and they are ready to serve. Thanks everybody for watching. Please tune in next time for some more recipes, and remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.